this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. M&M's, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. For this life I cannot change.
Alright, you guys, let's get started. So today I'm going to jump into my Karity palette, and I'm going to take this hot pink shade and I'm going to pack that shade into my crease and blend out the edges. So as you guys know, in my last video I used this Karity palette and I'm obsessing over it right now because it is so pigmented. The colors are so vibrant and I am just really trying to step my game up when it comes to using colors, since I'm always doing like natural looks and more like neutral looks. So I'm definitely trying to step my game up and just add some color. So I decided to do this look. I'm just taking this really small blending brush that came in the BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz set, and I'm just blending out the edges of this shadow. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this navy shade and this purple shade, and I'm just going to pack that into the outer corner of my eye and blend it out just a little bit into my crease. So now I'm going to cut my crease with the Eden eyeshadow primer from Urban Decay, and I'm going to be packing some teal right on top of that, but I'm just going to take this flat brush. This brush I got from Amazon. It came in a brush set, so I'm just using that to blend out this primer. And then I'm going to mix these two shades together, which is the blue and the green shade in that palette, and I'm just going to pack that in the center of my lid, almost at like an angle. And then I'm going to be packing some white shade in the inner corner of my eyes. My eye shape is just so weird, like my lid space. I have trouble cutting my crease and just making it even all the time because I have hooded eyes, so it's so difficult, like really learning my eye shape and figuring out like where to cut my crease at, how high should I go. Oh my god, it's so difficult. But I've been practicing all the time, really trying to get it down and really learn my eye shape, so you guys just bear with me. And then I'm going to take this white shade out of the palette and pack that into the inner corner of my eye. This shade was not as white as I was hoping it would be. And also I noticed that the pink shadow was coming through the eyeshadow primer, so I have to play around with that a little bit because I really, when I do white shadow, I really want it to like really stand out. So it did the job though, so I'm not mad at it, but I'm just packing that on and just blending my colors together, making sure that they fade into each other. And then I'm going to take this NYX glitter liner, and this is a silver glitter, and I'm just going to put that right across my crease. So I already have my face done. I have my foundation on, which is the Nars Radiant Longwear in the color Tahoe. My concealer is Makeup Revolution concealer in number 8, and I did set my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth, and now I'm just bronzing up with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Mahogany. And the only reason I did like my foundation and concealer and everything is because I felt like my videos were too long, so I tried to shorten them a bit, just cutting out that part, because my foundation routine is basically the same thing every single time. I really honestly use the same products all the time as well. But if you guys want me to add a little bit more, or add like a smaller piece of my foundation routine into my videos, I'll do that. But I just feel like sometimes it's not really necessary when it's the same every time. So yeah, I cut that part out. So now I'm going to take my Fenty Killawatt foil, and I forgot the name of these shades. I think it's like Sangria something and Mimosa Sunrise or something. But I'm just taking these two shades and I'm going to use them as blush. I was going to just use the orange shade, but it didn't show up as much, so I did mix the pink one in as well for my blush. So now I'm going to finish up my eyes. I'm going to take that same purple shade and the blue shade, and I'm just going to smudge that underneath my lashes, just to give it more like a smoky eye effect. And then I'm going to take that hot pink shade and just go right underneath that as well. And then I'm going to take this teal eyeshadow, but eyeliner that I have, and I'm just going to put that into my waterline. And then I'm going to use my Bad Girl Bang mascara just to put mascara in my bottom lashes. And then for my highlight, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And this is like one of my favorite highlighters ever. It's so pigmented and it is blinding, okay? So I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, my cheekbones, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. It's blinding, honey. I love this highlighter. And then for my lips, I'm going to use the Urban Decay gloss, and this is in the color Backtalk. This is like one of my favorite glosses ever. I have like 4 of these, the same color and everything. It has a little bit of a plumping effect as well, but that pink color is just so soft and pretty. I'm obsessed with it. But this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video.
But this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. M&M's, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it